Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening this slime. So, my friend Gabby, as you guys know her, she just, I ordered some slimes from her unicorn slime shop. So, and I just got it today from her mom. So, and she wanted me to make a video about it, I think. So, I'm going to open it. There's a note. To Bella Duva. Birthday cake. What? $1. Beauty. Hershey Cocoa. Unicorn Frap. Ooh, free extras. Ooh, and food erasures. Hi Bella. Thank you so much for buying from Unicorn Slimes. I ran out of fake chocolate chips for the cookie dough slime, so I made it. Let me see. Hershey chocolate slime. The extra vanilla ice cream slime is just extra leftover slime from the batch I made. I put too much glue inside. Oh yeah. And can you make a video about the slime and post them? Have fun from the Unicorn Slime, Gabriella. Okay. Oh, she has this cute little baggie of slimes. Yeah, I don't want to open it now because... Okay, fine, I'll open it. Open. Come on, open it. Smells good. This is a beauty slime. Ooh, it smells really good, and it's really pretty. Sorry guys, hold on. Sophia! Stop! Sorry guys, that's my sister, and that was my mom. She's with her friends, so just ignore that part. Okay, so there's that. Here's the Hershey chocolate slime. This really smells good. And it's really cool. Oh my goodness. It's really... So can you please stop opening and closing the door? Okay, thank you. Finally. Okay. Sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. So this is the birthday cake slime. Oh, this looks awesome. It has a bunch of foam beads in it. I think she said she had like too much glue in this one. Or one of them, she said. I don't know. I think it's the unicorn frappe one. I don't know. Ah! Not again, Sophia. Stop. Oh. Let's see what else I got. Oh, a little sandwich. So she gave me French fries and a little sandwich. And then here's the unicorn frappe. Ooh, really cool. It's a little sticky, but that's okay. So guys, I'm just gonna open the next one. It is extra. This is awesome slime. There's so many foam beads in here. They're not foam beads, but you know, the little foam balls. It's awesome. Okay, so shout out to Gabriella again because of her awesome slime that she made for me and her awesome erasers and extra slime. So guys, you should check out her slime shop. It's called Unicorn Slime Shop, I think. yeah, so you should definitely go check out her slime because it is just awesome. Like, who gives me like this much? Like, that's the best. So guys, I really hope, especially Gabriella, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this gets to you as soon as it can. Bye.